Welcome, class of 2027. Duke's Office of Information Technology is excited to have you on campus this fall. In the meantime, here is OIT's Back to School Kit. It is a quick overview of the most important things you need to know for a smooth start as you begin your first year here at Duke. First and foremost, OIT is here to provide support, the latest information on cybersecurity, free and discounted software, a reliable network, and much more. From getting a Duke card to logging on to the Duke Blue Wi-Fi, staying secure online, and learning new tech skills, OIT is a resource for all students in the classroom and beyond. Your security is important. Don't fall for online phishing scams. They can sometimes target students. It is important that you keep your identity and personal information secure by signing up for multi-factor authentication. Your Duke card is your key to navigating campus. It is now available on your mobile devices. Open a door, enjoy a meal, or attend an event all with the simple tap of your device. In addition to your mobile Duke card, the Duke mobile app is a great way to becoming more familiar with the different things you have access to on campus. The Duke mobile app contains a variety of useful features such as an interactive campus map and housing and dining information. As a Duke student, you have access to a variety of industry-leading software programs. You can find software such as Microsoft Office 365 and the Adobe Creative Cloud for free and at discounted prices. You also have access to the Innovation Collab. Have an idea you want to bring to life? Come in and create in the studios with 3D printers, WaterJet, CNC machines, and more. Want to learn a new skill? The Collab offers free in-person, online, and self-paced classes that cover subjects such as Python, cybersecurity, CSS, and more. LinkedIn Learning is a free resource for all Duke students. Learn new skills, support your development, or refresh the skills you already have online and at your own pace. LinkedIn Learning offers courses in 3D printing, web development, project management, and much more. The link is a great resource for students to access audio and video equipment in addition to getting in-person IT support. It is located on the lower level of Perkins Library. Help is available at the service desk. You can call 919-684-2200 or email oit.duke.edu/help for support. Class of 2027, your new journey starts now, and the Office of Information Technology is ready to provide you with the support you need to be successful in making the most out of your education. For more information, visit oit.duke.edu.